Today, I'll show you how to optimize your Indeed profile so you can stand out to employers and increase your chances of getting interviews. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, and by the end, your profile will look much more polished and professional. First, open your profile on Indeed. Go to the Indeed website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile or your name in the top menu and click on it. This will take you to your main profile page where employers can see your information. Take a moment to scroll through what's already there so you have a sense of what needs updating. If it's been a while since you last logged in, some details might be out of date, and that's exactly what we want to fix. Next, start adding detailed job experience and relevant skills. Look for the section where your work history appears. For each job, make sure you include your job title, the company, and the dates you worked there. But don't stop at just the basics. Add a short description of what you actually did in that role, focus on responsibilities, tools you used, and any results you achieved. For example, instead of simply listing customer service representative, you might mention that you handled customer inquiries, resolved issues, or worked with specific software. When writing these descriptions, think about what a hiring manager would want to know at a glance. Use clear, simple language and avoid long paragraphs. A few concise lines for each role is usually enough as long as you highlight your main contributions. Then move to the skills section. Add skills that are directly related to the kind of job you want. This can include technical skills, software, industry knowledge, or important soft skills like communication or leadership. Make sure these skills match your experience so your profile feels honest and consistent. Now, upload or update your resume. On your profile page, you should see an option to upload a resume file. If you already have one uploaded, check the date and content to see if it's still current. If it's older or doesn't match the experience you just updated on your profile, upload a newer version. Ideally, your resume and your profile should tell the same overall story about your background. Before uploading, quickly scan your resume for old job titles, outdated contact information, or responsibilities that no longer reflect your current level. Updating these details helps recruiters trust that your information is accurate. The final piece is to use keywords related to your desired job. Keywords are the specific terms employers and recruiters type into Indeed when they search for candidates. These can be job titles, skills, tools, certifications, or industry terms. Look at a few job postings for roles you're interested in and pay attention to the words that repeat, like particular software, qualifications, or responsibilities. Then, naturally, work those same words into your profile, your job descriptions, your skills list, and even your resume summary if you have one. Don't force it or overstuff your profile. Just make sure the language you use matches the language in the jobs you want. Once you've made all these updates, give your profile a final review. Read through it as if you were a hiring manager, checking that it's clear, current, and aligned with the roles you're targeting. With a complete keyword-rich profile, a solid work history, and an up-to-date resume, you'll be in a much better position to get noticed on Indeed.